Want to earn cash back on every Amazon purchase using Honey or Rakuten? First, install the Honey or Rakuten Chrome extension and sign in with your free account. With Honey, browse Amazon as usual. When you land on product page, click the Honey icon in your toolbar and switch to Earn tab. Honey will automatically activate any available cashback offers and display your current cashback rate before you check out. Complete your purchase and your Honey Gold rewards will appear in your account within a few days. If you prefer Rakuten, open the Rakuten extension, search for Amazon and tap Shop Now to launch Amazon in the Rakuten tracked window. Rakuten will notify you of your eligible cashback percentage, often around 1 to 5% on Amazon orders. After you place your order in that window, Rakuten credits your account within 48 hours. Once your balance hits the payout threshold, you can request payment via PayPal or check or apply it toward gift cards. By using Honey's Gold program or Rakuten's straightforward portal every time you shop Amazon, you'll rack up extra savings on top of prime deals and coupon codes without any extra effort. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.